In Kansas, if your driver's license was suspended or restricted due to a DUI, one of the requirements for reinstatements is generally the installation of an ignition interlock device, or IID. If you didn't install the IID as required, it may prevent you from having your license reinstated. Here's what you can do. First, check the specific requirements. Verify if your suspension or restriction was due to a DUI conviction and whether an IID was mandated as part of your reinstatement terms. Kansas requires that certain DUI offenders install an IID in their car for their license to be reinstated. Next, install the ignition interlock. If you didn't install the IID when you were supposed to, the first step is to have the device installed in your vehicle. You must use the IID for the duration specified by the court, which is typically 6 months to a year or even longer, depending on your situation. Next, you need to provide proof of the installation. You need to show proof to the Kansas Department of Revenue, or KDOR, that you've complied with the requirement. They'll typically require periodic reports from the IID provider. Next, you need to pay reinstatement fees. Once the IID has been removed and you've completed the required period, you'll need to pay a reinstatement fee and submit the necessary forms to the KDOR for your license to be reinstated. Before taking any action, it's probably best to contact a DUI lawyer. In some circumstances, the IID requirement may be able to be waived. You'll want to know if this is a possibility before installing it in your vehicle. Additionally, there are other challenges that can come up during this process. Consult a DUI attorney to ensure all requirements are met and to help guide you through the reinstatement process. If you're needing help with this, call our office today. We're here to help.